Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to yet another video on my YouTube channel, mrbdoeselectronics. So in this brand new video, we'll be unboxing the Ptron Dynamo Ring wireless charging pad, and it is from a branded company from the house of Ptron, as you can see, and it is also made in India, and it is one of the cheapest wireless charging pads supporting 15-watt Qi wireless charging. So let's get on with the unboxing. So before diving into the unboxing, let's take a look around the box itself. So we have got the Ptron and made in India, as we already saw. Dynamo Ring is the model name. It is slim and lightweight, 15-watt wireless charging, and Type-C cable is already included. On this side we can see the branding, and here is the slogan and the branding again. And on the back you can pause to read. All the specifications are mentioned over there, and as you can see, input has to be 9V 2A to get maximum 15 watt of output. So it is a wireless charging pad nonetheless, and there is nothing too much exciting out there on the box. So let's get on with the unboxing itself. And as you can see, presentation is okay, not anything to write home about. And we have got the wireless charging pad in a plastic baggie, and it is extremely lightweight, I can tell by the feel of hand. And on this box there is the USB-A to USB Type-C charging cable, and it is, by the look of it, at least 1.5 meter to 2 meter. It's quite a long cable. It is not braided, but it's a silicone one, normal charging cable. So now let's take it out of this plastic baggie, and the star of the show is this extremely lightweight, very thin wireless charging pad from Ptron. And on the top you can see a matte, very smooth satin type of finish, and on the back clearly written the input and the output wattage and the voltages that are supported by this device, along with the anti-skid rubber pads. And here you can see the lonely USB Type-C port. Now let's jump into the testing phase. I have a few devices on hand. First is this Galaxy Z Flip 3. Supports fast wireless charging at 15 watt, and as you can see, it is being supplied by this Ptron wireless charging pad. Next up is this Razer Phone 2. It's rather a rare device. It was quite difficult to get my hands on this, and also you can see it is also charging at 15 watt, which the device supports. And how can I forget an iOS device? This is an iPhone XR which supports 5-watt wireless charging converted to an iPhone 15 Pro housing, and it is also charging without any hiccup. And other than phones, if you have any TWS earbuds or any other device supporting wireless charging, you can simply throw it on there and it will get charged. Due to all these bright lights that I use in my filming, you are unable to see the LEDs that are there, the status LEDs. And here you can see when it is turned on, it glows red, and whenever a compatible device is thrown on the wireless charging, it turns blue. The only gripe of this device is that you won't be able to know if the charging is complete, because it simply turns red when the charging stops. Another little quirk of this device is that it does this dancing red and blue LED animation whenever an incompatible device is thrown, just like this Galaxy Watch 4. As you can see, whenever I put it on, it goes into this dancing LED mode. So that was the unboxing and the review of the Ptron Dynamo Ring wireless charging pad. And as you saw from this video, it has got a wide compatibility of various devices, be it Android, iOS, flip phones, your wireless charging supported, earpods, whatever it is. 5 to 15 watt it supports, and it is quite lightweight, sleek looking, and must have, in my opinion, for your gadget arsenal. And if you like unboxing video, DIY video, tech videos, do consider subscribing, like and share also. We are steadily growing, all thanks to you guys out there. I owe it to all of you, all of my viewers and subscribers. And as per heating issue, I saw a little bit of heating, but nothing alarming. Guys, do comment below if you want to see a long-term video of me using this device. And till then, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.